Good day guys. So this would be the continuation po ng ating solid geometry. Okay, so we are done with the prism. So balik lang po tayo ng konti kay prism. Ano po ba si prism? So the prism po natin, okay, the both bases po, the upper base and the lower base must be equal and parallel. So ngayon naman po kay pyramid guys. Okay? So ang ating pong base po ngayon dito iisa na. Okay, at yung base po natin ay yung ilalim. At yung upper part naman po natin, okay, tatawagin po natin siyang vertex or the apex. Okay, so let me where's my pen ito? Okay, so ito na po yung ating magiging upper part po, which is a vertex or an apex. Okay, so let's define what is a pyramid. Okay, pyramid is formed by a polygon base. So polygon base, So in this case po, this is a triangular base. So pwede po yan na square base po kayo, pwede pong hexagonal base, and so on and so forth. Okay, and triangular face that meet at a common vertex. So, ibig sabihin, sir, yung ating lateral face po dito, okay, is a triangle. Kay prism po, ang ating pong lateral face ay ano po siya? Siya po ay isang parallelogram. Pero kay pyramid po, tatandaan po natin that the lateral face is a triangular face. Okay, so regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon. So when we say regular polygon, ulitin ko lang po, this is what? Okay, ito po yung polygon natin na equal po ang ating sides. Okay, and whose altitude passes through the center of the base. So tandaan nyo guys, when we say regular pyramid, the base is a regular polygon and the altitude. Okay, what is the altitude? Ito po yung height ng ating pyramid. Passes through the center of the base. So if this is the apex po natin, itong kulay po sa taas, mag-drawing po ako ng isang line pababa. Okay, which is H. Okay, so tatama po siya dito sa ating center ng ating polygon. Okay, so basically guys, itong ating center na to, it must be what? Perpendicular with our base. Okay, so dito guys, kay pyramid po, dalawa po yung ating height na tinatawag. Una po is the altitude or the height po mismo ng pyramid. Itong letter H natin. Ito. And the other one is the slant height. Ano naman sir ang slant height? So from the word itself, naka-slant. So this is, okay, the slant height of a regular pyramid is the altitude of any lateral face. So ito naman po yung ating L dito. Kasi po if you are going to look at this point, let's say andito po kayo. Sir, ang makikita ko po is a triangle. At ito po yung ating L. Kaya po sinasabi siya na yung ating slant height of a regular pyramid is the altitude of any lateral face or altitude po siya ng ating triangle na makikita po natin. Okay, so dito guys, So when we say yung pong ating mga yung ating mga triangular faces, yan pa din po yung ating lateral faces. At tulad pa rin po ng kay prism, when we say lateral area, this is the sum of the areas of the lateral faces. So, ibig sabihin po on this particular figure, ilang faces po ang meron tayo, sir? Or ilang lateral faces? Sir, tatlo. Isa, nasa kaliwa. Sir, isa. Okay, padalawa po itong nasa kanan. Then yung pong nasa likod, pangatlo. Okay, so we have here three lateral faces. So when we are going to get the lateral area, so you are going to get the sum of those three. Sir, paano naman po pagka total surface area? Di isasama nyo po yung area nung ating base. Okay, so we have here the properties of the pyramid. Okay, the perpendicular distance from the vertex to the plane is called the altitude. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko, the perpendicular distance, okay, ng ating isang line from the vertex papunta po sa ating plane. At yung sa ating plane, it must be on the center of the plane if and only if the base is a regular polygon. Ulitin ko pag regular polygon, equals po ang ating sides. Okay, the lateral area of a pyramid is equals to the sum of the areas of the lateral faces. Same lang po ng kay prism. Okay, so same lang din po ng total area. Total area of a pyramid is the sum of the lateral area. Alin po yung lateral area? Yung pong mga pisngi ng ating, or sabihin natin tabihan ng ating pyramid, and the area of the base. Okay, so tingnan nyo po ito guys. Okay, so our next property dito. So when we say lateral edges, alin po yung lateral edges? Sir, kung ang lateral face po natin, okay, ito po ay isang lateral face. So alin po yung ating lateral edge? Di ito pa din po. Okay, yan pong mga nakahilig pong Yaan. So dito guys, when we say lateral edges of a regular pyramid, they are all equals to each other. So kung ito po ay ito po ay ito din po ay E. Next, lateral faces of a regular pyramid are enclosed by equal isosceles triangle. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, if you are going to look at this point, sir, eto po ako. Okay, nakikita ko po is at triangle. Sabi nga po natin, the lateral edges are equal. So ito po ay E, ito po ay E. Then yung pong baba natin is, let's say, X na lamang muna po. Kasi hindi po natin alam ang side ng ating triangle. So therefore, sir, if our triangle has two equal sides, okay, so basically yan po ay tinatawag natin isosceles triangle. Okay, so in regular pyramid, the slant height are equal to each other. So sabi nga natin, ang ating pong lateral faces ay pare-parehas. Therefore, yung slant height natin, okay, must be also equal to each other. Okay, so we have here the formulas that we are going to memorize po dito. Pero babawasan po ulit natin yan. Ano? So ito guys, yung regular pyramid natin. So when we say the volume, so this is only what? 1/3 area of the base multiplied by the height. Kay prism po, if you still remember, sir, area of the base po times height. So kay pyramid po, lagyan mo lang ng lagyan mo lang ng 1/3 multiplied by area of the base multiplied by the height. Okay, sir, when we say lateral area, this is 1/2 perimeter of the base multiplied by the slant height naman po. Okay, so ito guys, actually yan, kuhanin mo lang yung area ng isa nating lateral face, then kuhanin mo yung 10 ng tatlo, or kung ilang faces naman po yan, or ilang lateral face, and that is the lateral area. Tulad din po ng kay prism, hindi po natin kailangan sa uluhin to. Okay, pero malaking bagay po if you memorize this, then alam mo pa po yung ating principle. So, pakita ko po mamaya sa ating problem solving. And for this one, the total surface area is the area of the lateral plus the area of the base. Okay, so please take note of this formula. So, please pause the video if you are going to copy the formula para po sa ating problem solving. Okay, so let's proceed on our problem number 1. Okay, so sabi po dito, find the total area of a regular pyramid. So when we say regular pyramid, okay, all sides ng ating base are equal. Okay, 16 centimeters high, sir. 16 centimeters high. So ito po yung ating height. Okay, yan po yung ating height. With rhombus as a base. Sir, rhombus po yung ating base. So ibig sabihin po, equal po ang ating sides with, what is the measurement? 24 centimeters. And on each side, as a base with 24 centimeters on each sides and 10 centimeter in one diagonal. So let's say po, ito yung diagonal ko. Ayan. So 10 centimeters. So from the intersection po natin sa gitna, this is the center of our polygon. So tig 5 po ang sukat natin dyan. Okay, sir. We are asked to get the total area. So basically guys, total area or the total surface area is equals to what? Okay, ilang lateral faces po ang nakikita natin dito? Okay, so this is a square, this is a rhombus base. So kung ang rhombus po ay merong 4 na sides, therefore 4 din po yung ating lateral faces. So ibig sabihin, kailangan mong kuhanin ang 4 times ng area ng ating triangle, yung ating lateral faces, plus area ng ating rhombus. Okay, so yan po yung ating magiging formula ngayon for the total surface area. Okay, sir, ano po ang kailangan nating gawin? So, siguro po, unahin muna po natin kuhanin yung area ng ating rhombus. Okay, so I will just draw a rhombus here. Sir, this is 24, this is 24, and this is 10. So, kung 10 po yan, if we are going to draw another diagonal here, okay, so this is the point of intersection nila. So sabi nga natin, when we are dealing with rhombus, they bisect each other at 90 degrees. So ito po ay 5, ito po ay 5, so we can find this value. So let's say po, ang D1 ko ay 10. This is my diagonal 1. Ang dito ko po, syempre po, ang kalahati daw ay x. So dito is simply what? 2 times x. Okay, dalawa po yan. Ulitin ko ang D1 po ay yung 5 plus 5 ay 10. Yung akin naman dito ay x plus x is equals to 2 x. Okay, so from this triangle, so isolate ko lang po ulit ito. Sir, 24 po ito. Ito po ay 5 and this is 90 degrees. So if we are going to find the value of x, what particular theorem ang ating gagamitin? So ang lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, when you saw a right triangle, so ito po yung isang dapat papasok sa isip ninyo. Ang walang kamatayang Pythagorean theorem. So from here, so x squared is simply what? 24 squared minus 5 squared. So from here, what is the value of x? So let me show you my calculator. So basically, x is simply what? The square root of 24 squared minus 5 squared. Okay, so the answer is the square root of 551. So the x is equal to the square root of 551. Ito po ay x. Ano po ang 2x? Ibig sabihin, 2 times nung ating square root ng 551. Okay, sir. Meron na po tayong diagonal 2. Saan po natin gagamitin yan? Okay, alam naman po natin that the area of a rhombus given our two diagonals is what? Area of the rhombus is equals to what? 1/2 D1, D2. So from here, 1/2, ang D1 po natin ay 10. So ito po ay naka-centimeters. Multiplied by D2 which is 2 times square root of 551. So from here, the area of the rhombus is equals to what? Okay, let us calculate. Okay, sabay po kayo kahit po tayo naka-video lamang. Okay, so 1/2. So ang D1 po natin ay 10. Okay, ang D2 po natin ay so 2 square root of 551. Okay, so we have here the value. So 10 square root of 551. So 10 square root of 551. This is in square centimeters. Okay, sir. Meron na po tayo ng area ng rhombus. So ang kailangan na lang po nating hanapin is the area po nung ating lateral faces. Okay, so burahin ko lang po ito because we are done with this one. Okay, so naka-record naman po yung video. Pwede nyo balikan if kayo po ay, sir, wait lang. Medyo naiiwan po ako. Okay, so from here, Okay, so burahin ko lang ito. Okay, so actually guys, when we say lateral area, di ba sabi natin kanina, what is the formula for the lateral area? So lateral area daw po natin is what? 1/2 perimeter of the base multiplied by the slant height. Okay, actually guys, dito, when we are thinking with lateral area at usapang regular polygon regular base po natin, regular base. So basically, yung slant height po natin, lagi po nating hahanapin yan. Sir, lagi po nating hahanapin yung slant height kasi kasama po yan. Sir, ano pong mangyayari? So if we are going to, let's say, I will position you here. Sir, ang makikita ko po dito ay triangle. Ito po yung L. Ang base po natin, base po sa given ay 24. So you can apply the formula. Area of the triangle is what? 1/2 ng 24 times L. Okay, so 1/2 ng 24 times L. Okay, so ito po ang mangyayari dito. So when we say L, this is the slant height. So saan po natin kukuhanin yan? So come to think of this, sir. Meron po tayong center kanina. Ito po ay yung ating, ayan. So drawing po ko ng height. Ano po yung height natin, sir? Ang height po ay 16 centimeters. Sir, ito po ay L natin, itong patagilid na to. Then, ano po sir ang gagawin natin dito? Okay, so I am going to draw a parallel line at the center of the rhombus. Ito po siya. Okay, nag-drawing po ako niyan, sir. Kung ito po ay kalahati, or this is the midpoint nung ating, or this is the center of our rhombus, itong kulay pula, okay, so let me change the color para mas madaling makita at puro pula na. Okay, so let's say ito pong kulay itim na to, this is the center of our rhombus. Sabi nga po natin, what? Okay, sabi po natin kanina, that the altitude or the height passes through the center. So sir, kung 24 po yung haba natin, ito po ay tig 12. Sir, bakit po? Yung atin po kasing line at the middle of our rhombus is parallel to the side. Therefore, 24 po yung haba niya and we are going to cut them or we are going to divide them into 2. So therefore, tig 12 po sila. And this is what? Sabi nga natin, the height is or the altitude is perpendicular with the base. So meron ka po diyang mabubuong triangle. So 16 po ito, 12 po ito, at ito po yung ating L. So if you are going to see this portion ng ating triangle. Okay, so from here guys, right triangle na naman po. Therefore, magagamit na naman po natin sino? Yung ating walang kamatayang Pythagorean theorem. So, L squared is equals to what? 16 squared plus 12 squared. So, L is simply what? Okay, so this is my calculator again. Okay, so L is the square root of 16 squared plus 12 squared. So, from here, our L daw po is 20. So, basically, guys, pwede nyo na pong i-apply yung formula kung alam nyo ano, sir. 1/2, ang perimeter po natin ay 24 times 4. So, 24 times 4. Kasi po yan ay, sabihin nating perimeter, di ba? So, multiplied by L which is 20. Actually, guys, itong formulang itong lateral area, makukuha nyo rin po gamit ito, di ba? Area of the triangle is what? 1/2. Ang base po natin, so ito po ay 24. Okay, ang ating pong height dito, sir, would be yung L natin. Itong part na to ha, because we are looking for the area of the triangle. Okay, so multiplied by L which is 20. Ay ilan po ba yung ating triangle na yan or ilan po yung ating lateral face, sir? 4. O di ba? It's the same thing. So from here, area of the triangle is equals to what? So 1/2 times 24 times 20 times 4. Okay, 960. Okay, ito po ay yung ating 4 times ng area ng triangle. So, we have here, so 4 times area ng triangle. This is 960 square centimeters. And to get the total surface area, this is simply what? Yung ating 4 times 80. Ito na po yung 960. So, 960 plus area ng ating rhombus, 10 square root ng 551. So, from here, please calculate po natin. Okay, para makita natin kung anong letter ang sagot. Okay, so 960 plus 10 is square root of 551. Okay, so from here, this is 1,194.733892. So basically, this is letter A po ang ating sagot. Ayan. Okay, so I hope na guys, itong ating problem dito is na-gets natin. Kasi guys, ito ano po ba yung ginagawa pa rin natin until now? Okay, we are more on saan? Plane geometry pa din pag-a-analyze po ng ating plane figures. Kaya po yesterday, yung Sabado kahapon, diniscuss ko po yung ating exam para medyo mapaglaro yung ating isipan regarding po sa ating mga plane figures. Okay. So next naman po natin, so problem number 2. Okay, so find the total area of a regular triangular pyramid. So again, regular triangular pyramid. So, let me change the color of my pen. So, if each side of the base is 6 meters. Sir, 6 meters daw po ito. 6 po ito. 6 po ito. So, when we say regular triangular pyramid, so automatic po ang base po natin is what? An equilateral triangle. Okay? Equilateral triangle. So, ito po itsura niya. Ayan. So, let's say ito po ay equilateral with a side of 6, 6, and 6. This is our base Base po ito base. Okay. And the slant height forms an angle of 30 degrees with the base. Sir, this is our slant height. Okay, so ang slant height po natin, okay, so basically, ito po yung height ng ating triangle. So ito yung face natin, face po ito. Okay, face of our triangle. So this is the lateral. Okay, pare-pares kasi silang triangle dito. Okay, lateral face. Sir, ito yung ating slant height. Sir, yung base daw natin ay 6 po yung ating base dito. Therefore, ito po ay tig 3. Okay, so sana po nakikita nyo tatayo po kayo sa part na to. Okay, ito po yung makikita natin. Okay, sir. The slant height forms an angle of 30 degrees with the base. So, meron daw po tayo mapo-form dito 30 degrees with the base. Okay, so ang question dito, find the total surface area ulit. Sir, the total surface area is equals to what? Okay, so area po nung ating base plus 3 times nung area nung ating triangle po or the lateral face ulit. The lateral face. Okay, so ngayon po, iisip po tayo ng way. So basically guys, yung ating area of the base, wala po tayong problema dyan. Bakit? Alam natin, 60 degrees po ang ating included angle. Ito po yan. Therefore, we can use the formula for the area of the base. 1/2 ng ating AB. So we have here 6 squared sine of 60 degrees. So from here, what is our area of the base? Okay, so 1/2 times ng ating, so 6 squared times sine of 60. Okay, so we have here 9 square root of 3. So ito muna yung ating gamiting area of the base. 9 square root of 3. So this is in square meters. So sir, ang kailangan po natin is area of the triangle. Sir, given po yung ating base, ito yung triangle Okay, yung base natin ay 6 po. So, total po niyan ay 6. Okay, then, slant height po yung ating hahanapin para makuha po ulit natin yung area. Okay, so from here guys, kailangan po natin, okay, based sa ating figure kailangan pong mahanap yung ating slant height. So ngayon po, iisip po tayo ng way kung paano po natin siya hahanapin. Okay, sir. Ang meron po tayo dito, okay, so hatiin ko itong portion na to Itong portion na to, hatiin ko siya into 2 equal parts. So 3 and 3. And from the midpoint of this side, papunta po sa ating opposite vertex. Okay? So, yan po ay makaka-form tayo dito ng 90 degrees. So, isolating this triangle, sir, this is 6, this is 3, and let's say itong buong ito ay x. Okay, sir, ito daw ay x. So, therefore, using po ng ating Pythagorean theorem uli, x is simply what? The square root of 6 squared minus 3 squared. So, x is simply what? Okay, papakita ko po kung para saan po yan. So, x is the square root of 6 squared minus 3 squared. Okay, so this is what? 3 square root of 3. 3 is square root of 3. Okay, so yun po yung x natin So, makinig guys, sir, saan nyo po gagamitin yan? Okay, so if I am going to draw from the apex papunta po sa ating base, which is the center. Okay, the center of our base. Ito pong kulay itim na yan. Sir, ano pong klase ng part po ng circle yan? So guys, if we can imagine, sir, equilateral triangle po yung base natin. So yung center po ng ating base, this is the centroid po. Okay, this is the centroid of our triangle. Kasi po siya ay equilateral triangle, sir. At ano po yung ating mga line na nagpapass through po sa ating centroid, sir? Ito po ay alin? Yung median ng ating triangle. So, sir, if the median is this line, sir, x po yung kabuuan. So, itong from the side papunta sa ating centroid, this is 1/3 ng ating x. And from the vertex po papunta sa ating centroid, yan po yung 2/3 ng ating x. Tanda po ba yung ating diniscuss sa triangle? Ano yung ating merong 1/3 tsaka 2/3? Dito po natin siya pwedeng i-apply ngayon. Okay, ulitin ko, sir. Paano nyo po siya nasabing centroid? Okay, kasi po, this is a equilateral triangle. So, basically, nasa gitna po yung centroid. At yung median po, magpapass through po sa kanya. Okay, perpendicular po dito sa ating side na 6. So, from here, guys, sir. Okay, so I will just erase something, okay, para hindi ganong magulo. So, buruhin ko muna ito. Ito. Okay, so buruhin ko lang na konti ito siguro. Ayan. Okay, so tingnan nyo po yung gagawin natin dito Okay, so kuhanin muna po natin itong portion na to, yung 1/3 ng x. At ito po yung portion na to. Sir, ang 1/3 po ng x, so 1/3 ng ating x is 3 square root of 3. So basically, yung part na to, so cancel. This part is square root of 3. Ito itong counting ito from this side. Okay, itong side na to, papunta po sa ating center. Therefore, makakabuo po ulit tayo ng isang right triangle. Sir, ito po yung ating height, ito po yung L, ito po yung ating 30 degrees, at ito po yung ating square root of 3. So, please imagine po yung itong area po ng ating triangle na to. Okay, nakakita po ba? Okay, so from here, sir, this is a right triangle. We have given here a certain angle of 30 degrees. So, we can find the value of L using what? Okay, so SOHCAHTOA naman po yung gagamitin natin kasi meron po tayong given na isang angle. So, I will be using cosine of 30 degrees. So, ka. Okay, ka. Okay, ang adjacent po natin. So, ang adjacent po ay yung square root of 3 over the hypotenuse po is yung L. So, from here, L is simply what? Okay, L is square root of 3. Okay, over po ng ating cosine of 30. So, from here, ang ating daw pong L ay 2 meters po. So, meron na po ulit tayong slant height. So, therefore, from our triangle po, di ba? Ito yung triangle natin. Sir, ito yung L. Ang base po natin ay 6. Okay, this is the lateral face Lateral face. Nanggaling po dito. Ayan. So, area of the triangle is simply what? Sir, 1/2 po ng ating base ay 6. Ang ating pong slant height is 2 meters. So, we have here 1/2 ng times 6 times 2. So, we have here 6 square meters. Okay, so ilan po ba, sir, yung ating lateral faces ngayon? Sir, base po dito, tatlo po yan. Therefore, the total surface area, ano po yung area ng base? 9 square root of 3 plus 3 times po nung ating area ng triangle. So, times 6. So, we have here, so please calculate po using your calculator, 9 square root of 3. Okay, plus 3 times 6. So, we have here 33.59 square centimeters. And this is letter D. Okay, so ito guys hopefully nakukuha nyo po yung way of solving natin dito na kailangan nyo pong mag-isolate ng mga triangles. Kailangan nyo pong mag-imagine, sir, paano po ba tayo makakakuha ng mga formulas, ng mga equation, at paano po natin lalaroin yung ating mga plane figures inside a solid. Okay, so if you will have any question regarding this, pwede po kayo mag-approach sa akin, pwede po kayo mag-PM, para po maiklaro po natin. Okay, so let's proceed with problem number 3. Sabi dito, find the volume of a regular pyramid, okay, 24 cm high, with rhombus as a base, okay, with 10 cm on each side and 12 cm in one diagonal. So, drawing ko na lang muna yung base natin, sir. Okay, so yung base po natin, kasi alam natin that volume is what? 1/3 area of the base multiplied by the height. Meron po tayong 20 cm na height. Ang hahanapin na lang po natin is area ng ating base. Rhombus daw po ito. Ang sabi dito, with a rhombus as base with 10 cm, 10 cm on its sides and 12 cm in one diagonal. So, if this is my one diagonal, let's say D1, siya daw po ay 12 cm. So, yung pong ating point of intersection dito ng ating 2 diagonal. Okay, so hatiin po nyo yung 12 into 6, tsaka 6. Okay, so from here, ang dito po natin, sir, lagyan ko to ng x, lagyan ko to ng x. Therefore, ang dito po ulit ay 2x. So, alam natin that rhombus, okay, the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So, isolating this triangle, so 10, 6, and x. Ito ay yung triangle pong ito. Okay, so we have here, x is simply what? The square root of 10 squared minus 6 squared. So, the value of x is simply what? So, square root ng 10 squared minus 6 squared. Okay, so we have here 8. Okay, 8, ang unit natin is centimeter. So, basically, ang ating D2 ay 2 times 8. So, we have 16 centimeters. So, we can now get the area of the base by using the formula 1/2 D1 D2. Ang 1/2 po natin, so multiplied by D1 which is 12 centimeters. Okay, multiplied by 16 centimeters. So, area of the base is what? So, 12 times 16 divided by 2. So, we have here 96 square centimeters. So, volume is simply what? 1/3. Ang area ng base is 96 square centimeters multiplied by the height of 24 centimeters. So, volume is simply what? Okay, we have here 768. Okay, so cubic centimeters po tayo ngayon. Okay, actually guys, sabi ko nga, when we are dealing with mga volumes, hindi po siya ganun kahirap hanapin. Ang problema po talaga natin if ipapahanap po ulit yung ating mga total surface area. Kasi actually, kailangan nyo pong hanapin sina slant height, you are going to form a certain triangle, and so on and so forth. Okay, so please feel free to ask me pagka kayo po ay merong question regarding our pyramids. Okay, so let's proceed with our frustums of pyramids. Okay, so when we say frustum of a pyramid, siya po ay isang pyramid na puputulin natin parallel to the base. Ibig sabihin po, tatapisin yung ibabaw, ito po yung matitira. Okay, so please look at the figure na lang para ma-imagine po natin. Okay, so basically, ganito lang kasimple yan, guys. When we say frustum of a pyramid, kung ano po yung ating base po sa ilalim, at pinutol mo siya dun sa bandang gitna or bandang taas, yung ating pong magiging base sa taas ay the same shape but different in dimension. Okay, kung ang ilalim po ay triangle, so triangle din po ibabaw. Kung ang ilalim po ay, let's say, parallelogram, parallelogram din po yung ibabaw. Okay, so we have here the properties of a frustums of a pyramid. Okay, the lateral faces of frustum. Sir, when we say lateral faces, so tatayo ka dito ngayon. Okay, ano yung makikita mo sa portion na to, sir? What particular shape is this? Okay, the lateral face of a frustums of a regular pyramid are equal isosceles trapezoid. Ibig sabihin, yung iyong edge dito, tsaka yung edge dito, so ito po yun, tsaka ito, ang makikita mo dyan is a isosceles trapezoid. Okay, so kahit saan ka tumingin dyan, kung ilagay mo man ang lugar mo dito, or sa likod, or dito sa bandang likod pa din dito, puro po trapezoid ang makikita natin. Okay, next. The slant height of the frustums of a regular pyramid is the altitude of one of these trapezoids. Sir, ito po yung slant height natin kanina, di ba? Naputo lang, slant height. Sir, pagdating po sa ating trapezoid, ito na po yung magiging height naman niya. Okay, the height of the trapezoid. So if you are going to get the area of the trapezoid, so 1/2 nung ating upper base, let's say A, nung ating lower base, let's say B, okay, multiplied by L, kasi L na po yan ngayon. Okay, that is the slant height. Okay, so we have here the formulas po ng ating frustums of a pyramid. So from here, finding the area and the volume of a certain figure. So volume is simply what? Okay, so sir, hindi po siya simple sauluhin po siya. So h over 3 times a1 plus a2 plus square root ng a1, a2. Alin sir yung h? Ito po yung height ng ating frustum. Ibig sabihin, the distance between two parallel bases. Alin po ang A1? Area ng upper base. Alin po ang A2? Area ng lower base. So sa volume guys, kailangan nyo pong sauluhin yan. Pero pagdating po dito kay lateral area at total area, so balik lang po tayo sa ating principle na pag lateral area, lahat po ng nakapalibot sa kanya. Pag total area, lahat po kasama ang upper base, tsaka po lower base. So, correction ko lang to. Ito ay P2, ito ay P1. Nagkabaliktad lang po. Okay, so from here guys, we are going to solve a certain problem. Actually, hindi rin siya ganun kahirap. Please check this one. Find the volume of the frustum of a regular pyramid with hexagonal bases. Okay, hexagonal bases whose sides are 4 cm. So, lagay ko yung 4 sa taas and 6 cm. Sir, this is what? Regular pyramid. Ibig pong sabihin, okay, yung ating pong mga sides ay equal po sa taas, yung baba po ay equal din po sa isa't isa, and a height of 12 centimeters, and this is perpendicular with our two bases. Okay, so from here, volume. Sir, ano po ba yung volume natin? O, di ba ito yung mahaba natin kanina? So, h over 3, kopyahin nyo pala, di ko pala pinakopya kanina. So, h over 3 times a1 plus a2 plus square root ng a1, a2. Sir, ang height po ba ay binigay? Yes, sir. Yun po yung ating 12 centimeters. So, ang kailangan po nating hanapin ngayon ay yung area 1. Sir, area 1 is what? An area of a regular hexagon. So, we can use this formula 1 over 4 and b squared cotangent of 180 over n. So, area 1 natin, kuhanin po natin 1 over 4. Ang n po, the number of sides is 6. Ang b po natin ay yung 4, so 4 squared. Then, cotangent of 180 over 6. So, ang area 1 po, by using our calculator, so sabayan nyo po ulit ako. Okay, so this is 1 over 4. Okay, times 6 times 4 squared times, okay, so ang cotangent po is 1 over tangent ng 180 over 6. Okay, so we have here the first one. So, 24 square root of 3. Sir, 24 square root of 3 square centimeter. So, yung A2 po natin, so we are going to use the same formula. So, baguhin ko na lang yung andi dito. Okay, palitan ko na lang yung ating side. So, yung 4 po, gagawin ko ngayong 6 din. Okay, so from here, sir, the area po nung ating baba naman is 54 square root of 3. So, 54 square root of 3 square centimeter. So, from here, pwede na po ating isalpak yung A1 tsaka A2. So, A1 is 24 square root of 3 plus A2 is 54 square root of 3 plus the square root of, okay, 24 square root of 3 times 54 square root of 3. So, from here, what is the volume po natin? Sige, lagay po sa calculator. Okay, so we have here 12 over 3. Okay, so times daw po ng ating 24. square, ano ba yan? Sorry. 24 square root of 3 plus 54 square root of 3 plus the square root of, okay, 24 square root of 3. Okay, lagyan natin yung multiply dito times 54, sorry, ayan, 54 square root of 3. So from here, we are going to find the value of our volume, which is what? 789.815163, or simply 789.82. So 789.82 cubic centimeters. And that is letter C. Okay, so actually guys, yung pyramids naman natin or the frustum of the pyramids, hindi po siya ganun kahirap. Okay, so ito pong problem na to. So our next problem, or this is the last problem po regarding kay pyramids natin. So ito po, the lateral surface area of a frustum of a regular square pyramid is 1/2 of its total surface. The sides of the bases are 12 and 6 centimeters. Find the height of the frustum. So we are going to solve this one. So gusto ko sanang ipa-assignment sa inyo para medyo maglaro yung utak natin, pero naisip ko na baka tayo mahirapan pa or magtagal pa tayo. So papakita ko sa inyo para meron kayong idea kung paano po siya sinosolve. So sabi dito, the lateral surface area, sir, the lateral area of a frustum of a regular pyramid is 1/2 daw po ng ating total surface area. So para po tayong gagawa ng equation dito. The sides of the bases. So when we say regular square pyramid, ang sides po ng taas ay iisa, ang sides po ng baba ay iisa. So 12 and 6 daw po. So ang taas ay 6, ang baba na lang ay 12. Ayan. So ito ay 6. Okay, so from here, for a while. Ayan. Then, ano pang sabi dito? The sides are 12 and 6 and find the height of the frustum. Sir, we are looking for the height of the frustum. For a while, palata ko yung kulay. So, yung height po ng frustum, pwede ko pong sabihin, eto siya. Okay, from this point, perpendicular po dito sa ating base. Okay, perpendicular, ito po yung height natin. Okay, so from one base to another, yan po yung perpendicular distance. So basically guys, ano po yung pwede nating gawin dito? Okay, so we are going to think of a way kung saan po tayo merong makukuha. Okay, sir, syempre kailangan din po natin ng ating slant height. Malaking bagay po yun. Lagi po siyang hinahanap eh. So pag kayo po yung merong nakikitang mga pyramid, lagi nyo hanapin yung slant height. Kasi doon kayo sigurado makakakuha ng ating mga sagot or let's say, makakatulong sa inyong solution. Okay, so from here, ano po ang gagawin natin? So, hanapin muna po natin ang lateral area tsaka total surface area. Okay, sir, the lateral area, so basically, ano po kaya yung pwede dyan, sir? Sabi po natin kanina, okay, gamitin po natin yung formula ngayon. Ano po yung lateral area? Base po sa atin dito. Tignan nyo ha. This is what? 1/2 perimeter, 1/2 multiplied by P1 plus P2 multiplied by L. Okay, so gamitin ko yun ha. So 1/2, ang perimeter 1 po natin ay yung perimeter ng taas. So 6 times 4 is 24. Plus, yung perimeter 2 po natin, yung sa baba naman. So 12 times 4 is what? This is 6 times 4 is 24 nga. 12 times 4 is 48. Okay, so this is 48 multiplied by L is equals to 1/2. Okay, so ito po ay galing sa ating equation sa ating problem. Ano po ba yung total surface area? Ang total surface area po ay yung ating lateral area plus area po ng ating taas plus area po ng ating baba. So come to think of this. So simplify muna natin to. So 24 plus 48. So we have here 72 divided by 2. So we have here 36L. Ito daw po yung lateral area. So equals daw po siya kay 1/2 times. Sir, ang lateral area po, nakuha na po natin kanina, which is 36L plus area 1. Sir, kaya po bang hanapin ang area ng ating taas? This is a square. Yes, sir. 6 squared is, diretso ko na, 36 plus area 2 po. Ang area 2 po, square din po yung baba with a side of 12. So 12 times 12 is 144. So from here, cross-multiply ko lang itong 2 sa taas. So, we have here 70. 36 times 2 is 72L is equals to 36L plus 36 plus 144. Pagsamahin ko na yung dalawa. So we have here 180. So from here, manipulate lang po natin, you will get the value of L which is what? So 72 minus 36. Okay, then 180 minus the answer. So we have here L is equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, sir. Meron na po tayong L which is 5 centimeters. So tingnan niyo po yung gagawin ko dito, guys. Okay, so buray ko lang na dito ha. Papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so we are going to form ulit another triangle. So sir, ito po ay 5. Ito po yung height nating hinahanap kanina. And the height must be what? Perpendicular with the base. So basically guys, if I am going to consider this triangle, ito po yan. So 5 to, H to, 90 degrees. So para makuha ko yung ating H, kailangan ko yung value ng X, sir. This is X. Ang tanong ko, paano nyo po siya i-analyze? Ayan. Okay, tingnan nyo po yung gagawin ni sir. Okay, so if you are going to position here, ang makikita mo ay isang trapezoid. Okay, so sir, trapezoid po yan. So from this portion, tingnan nyo to ha. Sir, ang baba po ay 6. Okay, so ito, tatapat po yan dito. Let's say somewhere here. Okay, kung ang baba po ay 6, ang baba po rather ay 12. Sorry. So 12 po yan. Sir, yung part na to ay 6, ito po ay 6. Then, ibig sabihin, kung ang total length po ng ating base sa baba ay 12, ito po ay 3, ito po ay 3. Nakukuha po ha, itong portion na to. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Itong portion na to, ayun, saka po, ayun. Kung ito po ay 6, ito po ay 3, ito po ay 3. Okay, from this point dito, and this parallel po ito sa ating base po ng ating triangle na nakuha. Therefore, yung x pala natin is 3 centimeters. Okay, ulitin ko lang guys ha, baka po naguluhan. Okay, ulitin ko lang ha. So, please come to think of this. So, burahin ko lang uli. Okay, so kailangan nyo pong matutong mag-imagine regarding this. Okay, so, ulitin ko ha. So, from this point po, where's my pen? Okay, dito ka tatayo. Okay, sir, anong makikita mo dyan? Sir, makikita ko po dyan is, sorry, an isosceles trapezoid. Okay, so basically, sir, yung height po natin, itong height na to, okay, so lagay ako ng ano dito, imaginary line, sir, papunta dito. Okay, from this portion po, let's say ito po yan. Okay, yung portion na to, sir. Ito po yung x din natin. Sir, kung ang taas po ay 6, so basically, from this point hanggang dito, ito po ay 6 din. 12 po ang total length nila. Isosceles trapezoid, ibig sabihin yung remaining 6, mahati po sa dalawa, so tig 3 po. Yan, therefore, ito po ay 3. Parallel po itong line na to, yung makapal, dito po sa ating line ng x. Therefore, ang x po natin ay 3. So, from here, using the Pythagorean theorem, so h squared is equals to what? 5 squared minus 3 squared, or simply, h is equals to 4 centimeters. At ito po yung ating hinahanap. Find the height of the frustum. So, 4 centimeters po yung ating sagot. Okay, so I hope that this portion, ano po is maging clear po tayo. Sir, bakit po? Tingnan nyo to ha. Sir, pwede po bang ito rin yung height? Yes, bakit? Tingnan nyo ha. Explain ko lang na kaunti pa. Saan ba yung pambura ko? Burahin ko lang. Okay, tingnan nyo to ha. Pen, nawala. Okay, so ito kasi yung ating lower base. Sir, ito po yung lower base na to. Which is, ito rin po yun. Okay, yan din po yun. So, lower base. So, ito po yan, sir. Ito po yan. Then, yung ating upper base, sir, ito pong part na to, ito din po yan. Okay, therefore, makakabuo ka rin dyan ng, yan, lumagpas. Okay, ng trapezoid po sa loob. Therefore, yung pong ating trapezoid sa unahan, tsaka po yung nasa gitna, ay iisa po ang itsura. Therefore, yung h po natin ito is equals po dito sa h na nandito. Okay, so, I hope na malinaw na po ito sa atin. Okay, so from here, so this would be our last problem po regarding po kay pyramids po. Okay, so please watch again the video at kung may tanong po, please feel free to approach me. Okay, so thank you and God bless.